Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You're starting now. First, confirm you're signed into the Google account you want notifications for, and open Gmail on the device you use most. Once open, make sure you choose Desktop Browser or the Gmail app depending on your platform. They show different settings. If on mobile, allow system notifications permission when prompted so Gmail can post alerts. If using multiple accounts, tap your profile and switch to the correct account before moving to settings. Now configure Gmail itself. On web, click the gear, then see All Settings and choose the account's configuration. On mobile, open the app menu, tap Settings and pick the account. Under Notifications, choose All Mail, High Priority Only Important, or None based on how many alerts you want. Make sure inbox type and tab settings match what you expect. Once done, customize Label Notifications and filters so messages that matter trigger. Finish by syncing Gmail with your device. Confirm system notification settings, allow sound, banners, or badges for Gmail, and disable battery optimizations that restrict background sync. Send a test email from a second account and watch for the alert. Adjust volume and notification tone if needed. If you don't receive alerts, make sure filters aren't archiving messages, labels are set to show in a map if applicable, and the app has permission to run in background. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves missed notifications.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.